Hi, in this video today I'm going to show you how to factory reset the Sony headphones here. This is the model number. Might be useful if you're moving them onto someone else, selling them, or if they've developed a fault and you want to see if resetting them will fix it. So right now, hopefully you can see that they are connected. They're connected to my phone right now. To reset them, we have to turn them off to begin with. So I'm going to hold down the power button for a couple of seconds. It's just beeped at me and it says power off, and you can see it's no longer connected here. We now need to hold down the power button and this middle button here, not volume up, not volume down, but this middle button here for around 7 or 8 seconds, and you will see that this blue light will flash 4 times. Then you can let go. That means they've been reset. So these are off at the moment. You have to make sure they're off. You ready? Press them both down now. So you've got to keep holding them for a good 7 or 8 seconds. And there we go. Can you see it just flashed 4 times? So I can let go now. These are now reset. So if I was to try to connect them up to here now, you're going to see that they're not going to connect, but yet they are still remembered in my phone. So I'm going to turn them on by holding it down for a couple of seconds. And they will automatically go into pairing mode because it's the same as when you first of all got them out of the box. And you can see they're not connecting here, so they haven't automatically connected. So it will depend on the phone, but on this phone it's best for me to actually unpair these completely. And now if I go to scan, they're going to come up down here. So I'm just going to go to scan here. You will find that they will come up down here as available devices and tap on them. It's going to say pair, and there we go. We are now connected. You can see connected for calls and audio. So that's it. If you're having faults, do what you've seen in the video here. If you just want to move them on or give them to somebody else or sell them, then just reset them, and after the blue light comes on 4 times, they're already off anyway, so you can just pack them up and then send them to the new person. Nice and straightforward. Thanks for watching.